Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Fact. If you want to download Minecraft in your mobile, first of all open your Play Store. As you can see, I am searching Minecraft game and my Minecraft game is already downloaded. I have already purchased it, as you can say, only free of course. While you can see you have to pay something for the game Minecraft. So for the free of course, open your Google Chrome and search Minecraft mod APK download and open the second website. As you can see, I have opened and here you can see the option download APK. So click on the download APK option and you can see there is a three options. You can select that you want to choose. I will choose first one. My game has been downloaded. So as you can see here, Minecraft mod APK is downloaded. In 5 minutes it will be done. So you have to download this just and then your game has been downloaded. So you can see I am opening this game after downloading. Thank you so much for watching.